Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Nutra Blades Knives is probably one of the most essential tools in any kitchen, transforming the mundane task of food preparation into an art form. Imagine effortlessly slicing through ripe tomatoes, dicing onions with precision, or carving a roast with unparalleled ease. These knives promise to elevate your culinary experience, making every meal preparation a joy rather than a chore. They are designed not just for functionality but also for aesthetic appeal, ensuring they look as good as they perform, becoming a centerpiece of your kitchen arsenal and a testament to your discerning taste in quality cookware. Number 5. Nutribullet NBR-0601WM Personal Blender. Introducing the original Nutribullet. It has everything you need to begin your journey towards a healthier you. Effortlessly blend fruits, vegetables, and liquids into nutritious smoothies. Get key nutrients into your body, simply and deliciously. With 600 watts of power, this blender turns even tough ingredients like spinach into smooth, sippable nutrition. Its simple, intuitive design makes it a device you'll want to use every day. Just push, twist, and blend, it's that easy. Cleaning is a breeze. Twist off the blades, rinse, and place the cups in the dishwasher. Enjoy health without the hassle. This package includes the 600W motor base, extractor blade, 24-ounce cup, to-go lid, lip ring, and a recipe book. What we like? This blender is perfect for quick and easy nutrition. Its powerful motor handles fruits and vegetables with ease, turning them into smooth, sippable drinks in seconds. If you're looking for a simple way to boost your daily nutrient intake without a lot of fuss, this is the one for you. It's ideal for busy individuals who want healthy smoothies fast. What people say. The Nutribullet is a powerful and convenient blender that makes preparing smoothies and healthy drinks quick and effortless. Its compact design fits easily on any kitchen counter, while the strong motor blends fruits, vegetables, and even ice smoothly. I like that the Nutribullet doesn't leak at all. The cups and blades are easy to clean, and replacement cups are available. Very easy to use, convenient, makes me want to make smoothies every morning, which is great. Small, takes up very little storage space, powerful, will blend just about everything. Number 4. Granitestone Nutriblade Knife Set. Introducing the Granitestone Nutriblade Knife Set, designed for professional-grade performance in your kitchen. Experience the difference that superior craftsmanship makes. These knives feature incredibly sharp, high-carbon stainless steel blades that effortlessly slice through all types of food. They are built to last and maintain their edge, resisting rust and oxidation. This comprehensive set includes a knife for every task, from chopping vegetables with the Santoku to slicing bread with the serrated knife. You'll have the perfect tool for any culinary challenge. Designed with your comfort in mind, the ergonomic handles offer a well-balanced weight. This reduces strain on your hands, even during extended use, making cooking a pleasure. Enjoy peace of mind with these BPA-free and non-stick knives. They are safe for everyday use and ensure food doesn't stick, making meal preparation cleaner and healthier. Cleaning up is a breeze. These knives are dishwasher safe, or can be easily rinsed and wiped dry. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your culinary creations. What we like? This knife set offers exceptional sharpness and durability for all your kitchen tasks. With a variety of knives included, you're equipped for everything from chopping vegetables to slicing bread. If you need a comprehensive set of reliable knives that stay sharp and are easy to clean, this is an excellent choice for home cooks. What people say. These knives are super sharp and packaged in a plastic that you should use scissors to open on all sides. They are holding up well and have been keeping a good edge. Really nice knife set. I have used 4 knives from the set which I received about 10 days ago. It was super easy to cut up a whole entire chicken. Sharp enough to slice through with no problem. This set comes with all kinds of different size knives. The different types and sizes of knife helps cut different items. I use one knife for cutting meat and another for chopping vegetables or fruit. The blades are light, razor sharp, and nice steel. Super easy to clean, dishwasher safe as well if you want to throw them in there. Number 3. Home Kitchen Magnetic Knife Block Holder Rack. Experience superior holding power with our double-sided magnetic design. Strong neodymium magnets ensure your knives stay securely in place, offering a safe and reliable kitchen solution. Our unique anti-skid base provides exceptional stability. You can confidently place your tools without worrying about slips or shakes, ensuring a firm and secure hold. Crafted with a smooth, natural finish, this holder is designed for effortless cleaning. Its simple shape means no more hard-to-reach spots, just a quick wipe with a rag. Made from beautiful, naturally grown acacia wood, this holder boasts a warm texture and fine grain. It's a testament to quality craftsmanship and natural beauty. Forget complicated installations. Simply place it where you need it and move it with ease. It's designed to be safe for your blades, keeping them sharp and undamaged. This versatile holder isn't just for knives. Its strong magnetic grip can secure various kitchen tools, making it a multifunctional addition to your workspace. What we like? This magnetic knife block provides a secure and stylish way to store your knives. Its strong magnets keep blades firmly in place, while the anti-skid base ensures stability. If you want a clutter-free countertop and easy access to your most used knives without damaging their blades, this is a fantastic option for a safe and organized kitchen. What people say. The Nutra Blades knives are incredibly sharp and make chopping vegetables effortless. The ergonomic design of the handles provides a comfortable and secure grip, even when wet. The high-quality stainless steel blade retains its sharpness for a long time, reducing the need for frequent sharpening. Number 2. Granitestone Nutriblade Knife Block. Introducing the Granitestone Nutriblade Knife Block, a modern and sleek storage solution designed for your kitchen. It offers a space-efficient way to keep your essential knives organized and protected. Its minimalistic and modern design seamlessly complements any kitchen decor. This block adds a touch of elegance without compromising on functionality. Storing your knives is incredibly easy and safe. Simply insert them into the block. No screws or damage to your countertops are needed. The smooth surface and protective cover ensure your blade stays sharp and free from chips. This helps to extend the life of your knives. Keep all your essential knives, from your chef's knife to your paring knife, neatly organized and readily accessible. It's the perfect companion for your knife set. This block is designed to be compatible with the Granitestone Nutriblade 6-piece knife set. Please note that knives are sold separately. What we like? This knife block offers a sleek and modern storage solution for your knife collection. Its design keeps your knives organized, sharp, and protected, extending their lifespan. If you have a compatible knife set and are looking for a stylish, compact block that keeps blades in pristine condition, this is the perfect fit for your kitchen. What people say. My new Granitestone knife set fit perfect in this knife block. It's very slim, I put it next to my microwave and you can barely see it there. Great for small spaces, would highly recommend this to store the knives. This is a nice slim knife block. The Granitestone Nutriblade knife set fits perfect. Looks sleek sitting on the counter. The knives themselves are sharp, so I would recommend storing them in a block like this to allow them to keep their edge longer. I love it. Doesn't take much room. I like the way it looks. My son saw it and wanted one for his home, so I bought him one and a knife set to go with it. The granite knife set I bought for him and for myself are great. Very sharp. Says they will never need be sharpened. Number 1. Cutluxe Artisan Series 5 Santoku Knife. Meet your new kitchen essential. This multipurpose knife is designed with special grooves for effortless chopping, slicing, and dicing of all your ingredients. Experience superior sharpness with its hand-sharpened German high-carbon steel blade. It's designed for maximum edge retention, making every cut precise. Built to last, its high Rockwell hardness ensures superb resilience against rust and stains. It's crafted to withstand the demands of daily kitchen use. Enjoy a firm, secure, and comfortable grip with its ergonomic pack-a-wood handle. This design allows for better maneuverability and ease of use. This full-tang knife is designed to be a lifetime companion in your kitchen. We back it with a lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects for your peace of mind. What we like? This Santoku knife is crafted for precision and durability, featuring high-carbon German steel for exceptional sharpness. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip for effortless cutting. If you're a serious home cook or chef who values a high-performance, long-lasting knife for all-around kitchen tasks, this is a superior choice backed by a lifetime warranty. What people say. It has some weight to it which feels great in my hand. It's very sharp, it slices through everything. Very good quality knife. The wood of the handle is so smooth you might think it is plastic, the wood is highly polished. The knife is heavier than you might expect but fits perfectly in your hand. Chopping is easy. The knife has a razor edge. Chopping carrots is like slicing butter. Sturdy construction, razor-sharp blade. Great balance and feel in hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.